Have you, as a beginner or intermediate level developer, found yourself writing code like this after months or years of programming in Python? Yeah, I have. Even with 5 years of experience with Python, I once got code like this flagged in the PR review. Yeah, it happens. So, what's the problem with this code? Well, technically, nothing really. The code is actually going to work. However, this is when programming becomes more involved than just writing code that works. You need to know the language patterns. In this particular case, using list comprehension is the way to go. List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a list based on the values of an existing list. So, how would we write this differently? We declare a variable and assign it a list using list comprehension like so. We start out with an opening square bracket, call the lower function for each element in the list, and then end with the closing square bracket. We run the code, and voila, we get the same output. Let's say we have another list, foods, and we want to get all possible combinations of animals and foods in a tuple. You would realize that we would need to loop through two lists. To do this, we declare an empty list, animal food pairs, iterate over the list of animals using the for loop, iterate over the list of foods using an inner for loop, and append a tuple to the list of animal food pairs. We print out the output, and we see a list of tuples of animal and food pairs. Using list comprehension, we can write the code like so. We create a tuple of an animal and food item for every animal in the animals list and food item in the foods list. We run the code and we get a list containing tuples of every combination of animals and food. List comprehension makes your code more readable and performant. So the next time you're creating a new list based on the values from an original list, use list comprehension and have your code look more professional and mature. Thanks for watching.